Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. It has been quite a while since I have done a video here on my channel. As you can see, we are in our motorhome, our RV. We are currently living in here. So today I'm going to be doing like a day in the life, kind of like our morning routine here in the RV. I have a toddler and I'm also 32 weeks pregnant. So living in here is kind of crazy. We're kind of a mess. We have been in here for a week now. I'll explain later why we are in here, but if you're new, welcome. My name is Carly. I have a little 2-year-old. Like I said, I'm 32 weeks pregnant, and this is just kind of what our life is looking like living in an RV. I wanna be a weekend lover. Yeah, I'ma be the best damn lover you got. I also have a Target haul at the end of this video. I found a ton of cute stuff. They have like all of their spring stuff out already, which makes me so excited. But let's get to the part of why I am living in an RV. We are currently down in Florida. This is where I'm having the baby. My husband is a professional motocross racer and his season starts down here at Daytona International Speedway. So we are down here. We come down to the south every single winter. We have been doing this since I've been with him. I've been with him for 10 years. He has been racing for a while. So we are originally from Pennsylvania, and obviously it is way too cold to be outside for him to be riding and training and all of that. So we have to come to the south for the winter time. So we are having the baby down here. I am due in March. We're not sure what we're having. We are keeping it a surprise, so it's going to be a surprise gender. I'm going to be filming all of that stuff, which I'm super excited about. But let's get into this video. We start off, we wake up, we go ahead, eat breakfast. I turn on Netflix for my daughter. She is so into the show Spirit. Like, she absolutely loves that show. It is a horse show. If your little ones love horses, I highly recommend that TV show because it is so cute. But right now, I'm going to go ahead and make some pancakes and get our morning started. With every breath we take, you're falling. Time to shine, now show me what you can do. Make a move, the way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel. So this is a Class A motorhome. It has 1.5 bath. There's a bathroom right kind of where I'm standing, that one door that you see, and then in the back with our bedroom. That bathroom has the shower and everything. I'm gonna go ahead and do like an official RV tour here on my channel soon. I'm still trying to get everything organized and nice and clean. And I want to go ahead and show you it while everything is like still so messy. I'm still kind of like decorating in here and just kind of figuring out our life in here because it is extremely crazy living in an RV with a toddler, and we are going to be throwing a newborn here in the mix very, very soon, which is going to be crazy as well. On a run from my given disaster, speed away from the holy mind, pride. That's where I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good. I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving along the roads and we are currently staying in like southern Florida. We are kind of by West Palm Beach. We are in Palm City. We are staying at our friend's house. He's actually on the race team with my husband. So they are teammates. They're training together and all of that, which is really fun. I'm like best friends with his wife. I was in her wedding last year. It's just fun being here, fun being with friends. They are helping us out so much, which I'm so grateful for. The plan is to have our moms come down once we have the baby, and they will watch Evelyn and then just kind of give us a hand for the first week or two. My husband cannot really take off that much time with our season starting here in a few weeks. So it is going to be extremely crazy. I'm definitely going to take you guys on the journey with us with the whole baby and living in a motorhome, just because I feel like it is different content that you don't see every single day, and I cannot wait to look back on it one day. Next, I'm going to go ahead and get ready. I just quickly did this. I think I looked at the camera and it took me 4 minutes to do my makeup. I don't do anything crazy. I just throw on some foundation, concealer, stuff like that, and just kind of get ready for the day. This was day 3 of my hair not being washed. I wash it every 2 to every 3 days. I got this crimper off Amazon last year. If you guys remember my videos, if you are an OG, we were living in a motorhome last year as well, and I got this crimper off Amazon. I will link it down below. It is so nice, and it's so easy to do something different with your hair. I typically straighten my hair, but by day 3 I can't re-straighten it or anything. It gets really greasy and it just does not straighten. So I decided to go ahead and use this crimper, and then I threw it up into a ponytail because Florida is hot. It's hot when you're chasing around a toddler and being pregnant. Walking hand in hand on the ocean floor, down deep we wander. Louder we sing, no there is no cure. Now I'm just going to go ahead and get Evelyn dressed for the day, and then we start playing non-stop. Let me know down in the comments what kind of videos you guys want to see here on my channel. If you want to see organization in an RV, or if you want to see more day in the life videos. I know this wasn't a day in the life. I just kind of filmed bits and pieces. I'm going to go ahead and get better at it and kind of come up with a schedule and really take you through our days, because they are crazy and they are jam-packed full of things. So let me know down below what kind of videos you guys want to see. Shirt collar. So I want to go ahead and tell you about the sale that Teddy Blake is having. They are the ones that sent me this beautiful handbag, such a high quality handbag, but they are having their semi-annual sale, which is up to 70% off. And then they also gave me a code for you guys for another $20 off. So you can get yourself a beautiful new purse. I think the sale is going on for like a whole entire week maybe. I will have all the information in the description box, the website, everything, my code, all that in the description box, but definitely go ahead and shop their sale. It is the perfect time to get a new handbag with spring and summer coming up. They have a ton of different styles, colors, shapes, sizes, you name it, they have it. They are the company that I have been talking about with the high quality handbag that compares to MK and Louis Vuitton. I have an MK and this one is a lot more high quality. It's a lot more durable and sturdy. I've been using it for months and it literally looks like I just took it out of the box. I've been using it kind of as a diaper bag as I go out. I put like my wipes and diapers, chapstick, wallet, all of that stuff in there as I go out because I don't want to really carry a backpack right now. I am getting close to popping this little baby out, so I'll have to go ahead and use a book bag, but for now I'm using this bag. I absolutely love it. This one in particular, they have in a few different sizes. I think I have the medium size. They also have a ton of different colors in this one, and their colors just range from like neutrals all the way to like pinks and all of that stuff. So definitely go ahead and check out their sale. I love my bag. They are the ones whose leather is made in Italy, and like the stitching is just such high quality. I absolutely love it. Like I said, I've been using this thing and it looks brand new. I absolutely love it. So make sure you go ahead and look at all the information in my description box. Go ahead and shop the sale. If you guys get anything, tag me on Instagram. Let me know what you guys got. I would love to see. Like I said, their stuff is just so good. They asked me to go ahead and talk about the sale in my video, and I was like, absolutely, because everybody needs to know about this sale. I'm gonna go on and see if I can find something for my mom for Mother's Day. I know that's like kind of far in advance, but it's never too bad to be early for presents or anything like that. So make sure you go ahead and look at everything and let me know if you get something. Okay, so it is a completely different day. This vlog video is all over the place, but that's what happens when you're living in a motorhome. We are so busy every single day, but I didn't want to just leave the video how it was. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you all the stuff that I got from Target. Today I spent a good amount of money at Target today, but we still needed some things for the motorhome, and Evelyn talked me into getting her a Peppa Pig toy. She has really good communication skills when she wants something, and she really wanted the Peppa Pig toy, so she got it. She normally does not get a toy every single time we go to Target. I do take her down the toy aisle and she looks through everything, and then sometimes we get a toy, other times we do not. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you everything that I got from Target. They have like all of their springy stuff out right now. I also shopped the 50% off shoe sale. That's like the whole reason why I went to Target. If you hear noise in the background, sorry, there's nothing I can do about that, but let me go ahead. Okay, so we needed blankets for the motorhome, so I got this full queen. It is a blush pink. It was only $20, which is I think a really good price. So it is this pink Sherpa blanket, and I absolutely love it. I'm probably, well, this is a full / queen, so this is gonna go on here for when people like our moms come and stay with us when we have the baby. And then I also got this little heart blanket. It was in their Valentine's Day section. It was only $10, which is a really good deal, and it's just a throw pillow or a throw blanket, so I'm not sure the size or anything, but it was really cute, so I picked it up. Like I said, I shopped the shoe sales, so everything, all the shoes were 50% off. So I got Evelyn a ton of shoes because she just is going through them down here. So I got her these little pink sparkly ones. I think I got her all size 7 because her little feet are just growing and growing. I also got her this cute little t-shirt. This was only $4.50. I got her 3T just because the 2Ts are kind of getting a little short on her. So I got her 3T, and I love the little spring pattern on it. My motorhome is actually a disaster right now. I need to go ahead and clean that after this, but I also picked up this pack of socks for myself. This was only $6 and it came with, I think, like 10 pairs of socks, which is not a bad deal at all. I needed socks, so picked those up. I also picked myself up a pair of these blue sweatpants. These are the Wild Fable brand. They have like the cup at the bottom. They were only $15. I got the size small, and I got them for postpartum and wearing them inside the hospital, and it has pockets, so that's always a win. But I thought this color was really cute. They had a ton of sweatpants and matching. I didn't get the matching sweatshirt because I am pregnant right now and it was a crop top, so I can't really wear that, and I didn't want to just buy it and like hold on to it, so I just got the sweatpants. These are the other pair of shoes that I got Evelyn. They're pink with a rose gold like band on them. They're so cute. I got her, yeah, a size 7. These were only $16.99, so $8 with the 50% off. These little pink glitter ones were again $16.99, so like $9 with the sale. I guess I got her all pink shoes. I did not even realize it, but I got her these little ones as well. These don't have, oh, they do have a tag. These were only $12, so they were $6 with the sale. I had to get myself a towel for the bathroom because when I wash my face, I've been using like just a normal towel. So I got myself a little pink towel to go ahead and dry my face off once I'm done washing it. Evelyn got this little Minnie Mouse hand sanitizer because she is like obsessed with ours, so I got her like kids version. I also got her this little heart t-shirt, which I love the Cat and Jack, how they are like the scalloped shape at the bottom. I just think they're so cute, so got her that t-shirt because it is hot down here in Florida. I got myself a waffle maker. I was trying to find a panini maker. I couldn't find one. Then I was trying to find a skillet to make pancakes on because, as you saw in the beginning of this video, I was making pancakes on a frying pan and that did not turn out, so I just got a little waffle maker. It's a little blue one. I have a pink one at home. I just forgot it. And it was only $9, so I picked this one up. And then last two things, I got myself this medium t-shirt, which, yeah, it's gonna fit me. So it's like this blush pink color. So I got this. This was only, how much was this? $8, so not bad at all. And last thing I got were just some candy Dove chocolate, milk chocolate hearts, because I crave chocolate every single night with this pregnancy. I'm not sure why, but I do. So that's everything I got from Target. I will link everything in the description box. I got some good stuff. I'm excited about it. So that is going to be the end of this video. It is like almost 6 o'clock. I need to go ahead and make dinner and get ready for bed. Adeline's been going to bed around 7 every single night, so I have like an hour to cram in everything. But I hope you guys enjoyed this very random video. This is probably what the videos on my channel are going to look like from here on out. Don't forget to go ahead and shop the Teddy Blake semi-annual sale. You can get up to 70% off, and then with my code you get another $20 off. So I'll have everything in the description box below, but I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you on my next video.